Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my base when I go out for a dinner or for to see a friend or for a date. This is how I do my base. I only have foundation, concealer, and contour on my face, and I do not have any eyeshadow. This is very basic, and before starting to it, I want to mention that I definitely recommend for people to alter the products depending on their needs. I have very oil combination skin. My T-zone is really oily, but other places like my cheeks, like rest of my face is very dry. So I do use product based on my skin type. Definitely try to use product based on your skin type. Yeah, so let's get started with this. And if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching, and please don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends and family, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's it. Alright guys, enjoy! yeah guys, here's the final look. That's how I do my base. I actually haven't put any kind of eyeshadow on my lids. It's just the lashes, and I only have eyeliner. This video is meant just to do the base, and that's how I do my base. And definitely you guys can add on products to this. Some people like to put shimmer before, mix it with the foundation. You guys can do that. It's all up to you guys, but yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And definitely I will be posting more videos. If you guys wanna watch, or if you guys wanna know more about some specific stuff, don't forget to mention it to this comment and let me know if you guys liked it or not. Any suggestions, any concern, I'm more than happy to take it. Thank you so much. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay home, stay hydrated. Love you.